welcome back to my channel, and let's just jump right into this video. Today I'll be applying this very affordable wig that I purchased from wigtypes.com. This is a motowntress wig in the style Veronica, and this is what the wig look like. I didn't expect it to be this white. I thought it was going to be a little bit more of an ash blonde, like, you know, a little bit darker, but nonetheless I still like it, so I made it work. It's so cute. So I'm just gonna apply a brown stocking cap. It doesn't matter which color you apply, because to be honest, the lace on this wig is not see-through, so it's not gonna make a difference if you use a black, a white, whichever color you want to use. And I'm just gonna slide this wig on, and yes honey, I was feeling it, you know. So I'm just gonna position it into a deep side part and just, you know, position it on my head how I want it. And I must say this wig is really big. Well, good sizing, because it fits my head and I have a huge head. Okay, so after I place it where I want it, I'm gonna take some concealer and just go over this part, because yeah, in nobody's scalp, you know, that color. So I'm just gonna use a concealer to do that, and then I'm gonna cut some framing layers in the front just to frame my face a little bit. And I wasn't going anywhere, so that's why I didn't like secure the wig. It comes with 3 clips in it, 2 in the front, 1 in the back, but I didn't, you know, attach it or anything. So you could go ahead and do it and apply bobby pins or glue this wig down if you want to. But I was just doing this just for, you know, to give the review and to do the look. Okay, then I'm gonna cut a few layers in the front, so I'm just gonna hold the front like that, and then hold the scissors at an angle and just cut it very slowly down, just to give it some more layers to frame my face and look, you know, to look better. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut it to my likings. I love to cut, so you know, I'll probably cut for a little bit, but you don't have to if you don't want to. But it just makes it look a little bit less wiggy or straight out the box wiggy, even though you could still wear it straight out the box. But you guys get what I'm trying to say, right? It just looks better when you add some layers. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do, and then yeah, that's pretty much what I do to this wig. You could go ahead and apply mousse and stuff, but I didn't do that because I said I wasn't going anywhere. But when I'm actually going to wear this wig out, I'm going to run some mousse through it and things like that. But it's a synthetic wig, so you don't want to apply too much product to it, because it doesn't, a lot of product in synthetic wig doesn't help. A lot of product in any hair at all is not good, but especially synthetic hair. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is just slightly just raise the top like that, and then take my Got To Be spray and just use that to just spray, just to hold it, so the top has this kind of not so perfect look. It looks a little bit more worn and realistic-ish. Oh, is that a word? But yeah, I just created one. And then I also raise the front up a little bit and spray just so it gives it a little bit of a height and not so flat. Like, this wig is also heat safe. They say up to 400 degrees, so I didn't try that, but I guess you could do that to also make height in it. But it is synthetic wig, so I don't play around with heat in synthetic wig. I've learned that the hard way. So yeah, I just use the spray and stuff to do that. And then it also comes with some baby hair, some very thick baby hair, but they work. So I'm just gonna take the Got To Be spray it on my edge brush and just lay those down. And then I also take out a piece on the side, which I'm gonna also taper down and make shorter so it looks better on me. These are not things that you have to do, but this is what I do to just customize this wig to my likings. Okay, and then I went back with my face powder just to tone this concealer down a little bit. It was looking a little bit too bright for me, and you don't want it to look like kind of ours, you know, kind of our scalp a little bit. If it is a synthetic wig, but ain't nobody gotta know that. But yeah, I really like this wig. It's soft. My fingers went through it very easily, but nonetheless, you know, it's synthetic wig, so you gotta be very careful. You gotta care for it a little bit more gentle than you would with other wigs. But yeah, this is it. If you want to see the makeup look, it will be linked below. I already uploaded the video for that one. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Do everything that you need to do to support your girl. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. So until the next one, bye guys.